Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect Android smartphone to your Amazon Alexa speaker.
Sorry, I can't connect or control Bluetooth on your device.
Okay, so first of all we have to go for the devices, select our speaker and then click to connect a device. Right now Alexa is looking for our Android smartphone, so what do we have to do? I'll simply open your Android phone and go for the Bluetooth settings. Next, enable Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher. And right now on available devices, you will find your Amazon Echo speaker. So tap on it once. Click pair.
Now connected to
and as you can
Bluetooth.
see right now we are connected and we are active, so we can play, for example, a song. But let me just clean my screen. That's greasy marks, sorry guys. Okay, right now it looks better, so we can turn on this, for example, the YouTube music and play something like maybe this one. As you can hear, the sound comes from the speaker, and that's very easy method to pair your Android phone. And the same it works for the iPhone with your speaker, with your Amazon Alexa Echo. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.